We shift our attention to another bit of breaking news coming in. This is the Prime Minister having written to Sunita Williams, the NASA astronaut who's now on her way back. She's on her journey back to the Earth. A letter has been written by the Prime Minister and it's dated as on 1st of March. In fact, the Prime Minister in this letter said to have spoken of how he inquired about Sunita Williams' health during his meet with Donald Trump in the United States. I want to go across to Payal Mehta, who joins us with more details. Payal, we've put out that grab of the letter which was penned by the Prime Minister dated 1st of March. But do tell us about the message he had for Sunita Williams, given we're just hours away from that, and fingers crossed, that touchdown that the two NASA astronauts will be making.
Well, of course, isn't it a sigh of relief because these two NASA astronauts who were supposed to be in space for only a few days or probably a week or so landed up being there for many, many days. And it's a huge sign of relief. And that's something, of course, which the Prime Minister, of course, lauded. The bravery that is being shown, especially by Sunita Williams being one of the celebrated astronauts releasing the Prime Minister, of course, congratulating them for their effort. And in a way, talking about the kind of contribution that they've actually made and how they're going to be encouraging others to take up such an expedition as well in the future. That's something which the Prime Minister has really spoken about.
Okay, so this letter of the Prime Minister, which we're flashing on our screens as well, this message needs to be spoken of because there is so much curiosity, anticipation around this entire story pile, isn't it? Like, we've all been discussing, this was supposed to be a short stint which lasted not more than 8 days, and it's turned into a journey, an extended journey of 9 long months. So a lot of anticipation, really, curiosity around the manner in which they spent these many days in the International Space Station. Can you also tell us about whether or not the Prime Minister's held or had any conversations at an official level apart from this one with the United States counterparts or officials checking in on the status of this mission? Because several such attempts have been made to bring back the two astronauts in the past.
Well, of course, the Prime Minister was worried as any other person would be worried about, the well-being of any citizen. And the Prime Minister, in fact, raised this issue, between with the US President, Mr. Donald Trump himself. He inquired about the well-being and the health of Sunita Williams in particular. And also the Prime Minister spoke of the fact and said that everybody takes pride in your work and everybody takes honor in your work. So that's the kind of messaging that the Prime Minister really has sent. He's been, you know, extremely worried about like you said, multiple attempts were made to get them back, and probably there seems to be a glimmer of hope. And these two astronauts are just a few hours away from being brought back, and everybody is breathing a huge sigh of relief. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi's letter is also now there for public to see. But although this letter was sent on the 1st of March, it written to Sunita Williams on the 1st of March, when one had not even heard about what the developments really were. But of course, it's coming at a good time. The Prime Minister expressing his concern about their health, about their welfare, speaking to his counterpart, of course, Donald Trump, the President of the United States, during his visit. So that's something which is going to be very, very important message to be sent, especially to the youngsters who actually fancy this field of, that one has seen the kind of the reputation that Sunita Williams and the others have really had.
Oh yes, stay on with us, Payal. It's very interesting the manner in which the Prime Minister has made this particular interaction with Sunita Williams, who, remember, on the 1st of March was still in the International Space Station. Now she, the Crew 9, may have undocked from Space Station there on their journey back home. But this is a letter, remember, which was penned on the 1st of March, and the Prime Minister conveying his greetings. He says, "From the people of India, at this program today, I met the noted astronaut, Mr. Mike Massimino, and during the course of our conversation, your name came up." So making it extremely personal, talking about how Sunita Williams, even when she was in the International Space Station, was being remembered, was being spoken of, was being appreciated and lauded through and through. And then he's also he's made a reference to her family members, Pyle, which I find very interesting because, he's speaking of how everyone is eagerly waiting for Sunita Williams back home, including her family members as well. And then says that we will be waiting to welcome you in India.
Well, of
Yeah.
Well, of course, the Prime Minister, of course, extending an invitation to Sunita Williams to come back to speak about her experience and her expedition in space, which was supposed to, like I said, be lasting only for a few days, but landed up lasting for a lot longer. The Prime Minister, of course, taking a lot of pride in that, in her achievements. He said, "We take pride in your work." And obviously, the family is going to be at tenterhooks. The family is going to be extremely nervous because they are the biggest, they have the biggest stakeholders as far as these two astronauts are concerned. being the blood relatives or the family members as well. And so obviously the Prime Minister also speaking like a guardian of the family, essentially saying that, we do understand that your family must have been worried, but, all seems to be well, and hoping at that point in time, the Prime Minister was hoping that, these two would make a safe return, given the fact, like you said, between multiple options were explored, multiple expeditions were made to get them back. But finally, it seems that, they're going to be back in some time and sooner than later.
Oh, yes, absolutely. Both Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore have begun their return journey to home along with two other Crew 9 members. But thank you for putting out all those details of this letter penned by the Prime Minister.
The last hour. Anything can happen between the bells. But what happens during the last hour is what matters the most. The biggest market swings. A close-up look at what's driving them and how the investors are reacting. Watch the most seasoned market mavens guide you through the most important hour of the trading day. NSE Closing Bell. At these times, only on CNBC TV 18 and CNBCTV18.com.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.